Hi, I'm Jamie McDevitt with McDevitt Town & Country Properties. We are here at one of our wonderful listings at 105 Chestnut, up in the wonderful community of Seven Lakes North. This house was just reduced to $275,000. Come on and take a look. It's a fabulous 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Come on, let's go. As you enter into this house, it has a very, very open floor plan. This was totally renovated a few years ago, so almost everything in here is new. There's a new roof, new gutters, and a fabulous new kitchen too. If you look at it, you'll see the beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and lots of cabinet space. Really, really wonderful. It overlooks this wonderful great room with a fireplace, plenty of space for a big screen TV, and great dining, both formal dining, and if we swing around here, we've got a great little breakfast nook as well. This is a fabulous space. It overlooks the backyard, and it's nice and light and bright. As we move through the great room, we also have what we call here a Carolina room. So if you're looking for a place to sit, watch nature outside, look over the backyard, this is a fabulous space for that. This is a very, very private backyard as well. From the Carolina room, we'll go over to the guest wing. It could be used as an in-law suite, or if you have young kids. It's a great space because 2 of the bedrooms of the 4 are over on one side. So someone could use one as a bedroom and a living room, or just a great place to tuck some kids. Let's go see. Here is the guest wing that I mentioned. So we have 2 bedrooms over here, and they're very, very large, very spacious. New carpeting in here. And then there's 1 bath with a tub shower, nice sink, and then it goes into the other bedroom as well. So again, we have 2 bedrooms over on this side of the house. We also do have a 2-car garage on this side of the house. And also some nice places for collections, and of course, a really nice closet. Fabulous view here of the newly renovated kitchen. I love the bar stools here, so it's a great place for entertaining as well. Now on to the other side, which would be our master suite area. One of my favorite spots though here is actually this laundry room. It has great space, great storage, and it's light and bright. You could even use this as a hobby room. And it's got a fabulous pantry in here as well. Love this. You also have the second of the 3 baths over here. The 4th bedroom, which could be used as an office, this whole right side of the house could be your master suite area. And then we do finally head into the very oversized master suite. Huge space for a bed, easily fit a king-size bed in here. Great closet space, 2 separate closets, and I love this space too. Again, it could be used for an office space, a great place to sit and read a book. Lots of options here for how you use this space in the master. And then, of course, finally, we have a nice light and bright master bath. Here's another peek of one of the two closets that are in here. One's a walk-in and one is just our regular bank closet. So that is our tour of 105 Chestnut. Again, it's a fabulous house here at Seven Lakes. There's so many wonderful amenities, from the lakes to tennis to swimming pools. You've got to come see this great house. Again, listed now at only $275,000. Thanks. Come for a visit.